Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to our channel where we make kids happy. Today we have prepared a very fun game for you all. Can you guess this crazy animal sound? Do you know there are more than 5,000 animal species on our planet? And they all make different sounds. Some sound funny, some scary, and some just weird. But do you know all of them? That's what we are here for. Get ready to test your knowledge with us in this crazy guessing game. We will play it like this. We will make an animal sound and you will have to guess which animal it is. Let's start with an easy one. Listen carefully. What is this sound? Is it a dog? That's correct. Well done. It's a dog barking. Do you know another common animal? How about this one? BAA. Is it a sheep? That's right. It's a sheep saying BAA. Next, quack, quack. What animal is this? It's a duck. And don't forget to stay tuned cause we have many more fun games coming up soon. Let's move on to the next level. Are you ready? We will make it a little harder this time. Listen carefully. What is this sound? Moo. Is it a cow? Yes, it's a cow. Very good. Next, what about this sound? Hiss. Can you guess which animal it is? Snake. That's right. It's a snake hissing. Do you know any other animal that hisses? We will make it a little easier now. Cockroach. Is it a cockroach? That's right. A cockroach making a crazy sound. What about this one? Oink, oink. Is it a pig? That's correct. It's a pig. Next, ribbit, ribbit. What is this sound? Is it a frog? That's right. It's a frog. Next, what is this sound? Jar. Can you guess? Is it a cat? That's right. It's a cat meowing. Next, roar. Which animal makes this sound? Is it a lion? You got it right. It's a lion roaring. Next, listen carefully. What is this sound? Is it a monkey? That's right. It's a monkey chattering. Next, we will make it a little harder. Can you guess this sound? Squawk. Is it a parrot? That's right. It's a parrot squawking. Next, what about this one? Meow. Can you guess? Is it a cat? You got it right. It's a cat meowing. Next, listen carefully. Tweet. What is this sound? Is it a bird? That's right. It's a bird tweeting. Next, we will make it a little harder. Can you guess this sound? Peep. Is it a lamb? That's right. It's a lamb. That's all for today. How many animals did you recognize? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to play again, then click on the video on the screen. And if you like the video, then don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our fun videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.